Crimson here, and today I'm going to be talking about the one, the only Mr. Kristofer Yee, and I'm going to be discussing why he is blowing up so much on YouTube and why he probably appeared in your recommended section on your YouTube app or on your web browser. So if you guys do end up enjoying the video, make sure to drop a like on it. But anyways guys, let's get straight into the video. So basically, Kristofer Yee is a resident of Las Vegas, and he does a lot of tech videos, offer-up videos, a little bit of everything. And the reason why he's blowing up is just because of the way he does his videos. Now you guys might be confused because everyone has their own way of making videos and you can't really copy that. But Kristofer Yee has gotten something down that no other YouTuber in the tech world really has, which is telling a story. The way that Casey Neistat makes you feel like you're a part of a vlog, moving from one section of New York to another, to another, to another. Kristofer Yee is able to do that through OfferUp and just the way he does his deals. He's able to give you an experience of him going to the OfferUp meeting. Then he's able to give you the experience of the messages. Then he's able to give you the experience of meeting the person. Then he's able to give you the experience of taking the product back home and looking at it. And then even after that, he shows up with a video for you guys, another additional video just on that product alone, making you feel like if you guys were there from step 1 all the way to step 10, and it just makes you feel like you were a part of the experience from the beginning. And a lot of other YouTubers, they rush through everything, so they'll cover everything in one video and it'll be like 5 steps, super easy, done. That's it. They don't put a lot of hard work into their videos. But with Kristofer, you guys can easily tell that he is putting a lot of work into his videos. He only uploads 1 to 2 videos a week, and you could just tell that each video takes a long time to edit because they have so much information packed into it that you know that it's not something that can be done in half an hour or 3 hours. It's something that takes days, not hours. Now, if you guys don't know, I actually talk to Kristofer Yee very often. He pops into my Twitch streams. We talk on Discord. We play games together.
I'm a little alien. Look how ugly I am.
I hate that skin.
I'm like hyperventilating.
And what I can tell you guys from talking to him for a very long time now is that he's on a whole different level when it comes to the mindset of just having YouTube as a hobby, business, whatever it is. He's on a whole new level. He's always thinking of a new idea, and every time he runs an idea by me, I'm just like, wow, that's $1 million idea right there. That can make a YouTube channel go from 1,000 subs to 500,000 subs easy, just because his ideas are so good. And I'm just surprised by the fact that someone like Kristofer Yee could have so many ideas constantly coming into his head, and he makes them into videos and they always do really well. And I'm just so glad for Kristofer because I know that his hard work is being paid off, because he's doing all this crap and it's actually working out for him. And it sounds crazy and I'm like, no way that idea is going to be successful, and then it ends up hitting 1 million views. That's so crazy. I never thought that Kristofer Yee would be as successful as he is now, and I'm so glad that I'm wrong, because when I first subscribed to him when he only had 11K, which is what I'm at right now, he basically was uploading golden content. And I remember watching his videos back when he had 2K. I didn't sub. I was like, this guy needs to put some more work into his videos. And then I went back when he had 11K and I was like, this guy's gonna blow up pretty soon. And then a few months later, he's at 30K, then 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and now he's about to hit 100K, which I think is crazy. Now I feel like if you guys are tech YouTubers or just YouTubers trying to come up and you guys are trying to find a way to get more views, more subscribers, you guys should definitely watch Kristofer Yee's videos and try to learn a thing or two about them, because not only does he tell a story really well, but he also has really good music that always seems to go with what he's doing in the video. You never expect it, but the music is just in the back and you never really pay attention to the music, and that's how good he is at making the right choices when it comes to selecting the music. He puts music that's going to be there and entertain the back of your head, but you're never going to notice it and take that over what he's saying. So you're always listening to Kristofer Yee. You always have that background music in the back. It just gives you that feel of like a homey feel, and that is something that not a lot of YouTubers can replicate. Casey Neistat, like I did say earlier in the video, he does a really good job of just connecting these two things and making everyone feel like they're a part of the vlog. And that's basically what Kristofer Yee does with his videos. He makes everyone feel special. He makes everyone feel like they're a part of the OfferUp trip every time. If something sketchy is to happen to him, we're gonna know about it, and we're gonna be sketched out just like he is. So it's something, an experience that can't really be shared, yet he's able to do it somehow over a camera. He's showing people that if you put in the work and the dedication, you can also become successful just like he is. And he's not even a full businessman. He doesn't own a company. He doesn't do this. He doesn't do that. He's just one man, one 25-year-old man, and he's able to do exactly what he wants when he wants. But anyways, guys, hopefully you guys did enjoy the video, and if you did, remember to leave a like and a comment down below. I hope that you guys learned something about Kristofer Yee. I talk to him all the time, and every time I talk to him, I feel like I went from this level of smartness to this level to this level. It just keeps going on and on, because every time I talk to him, I learn so much about what it is to be a YouTuber and what it is to enjoy doing something that you really like. And Kristofer Yee is just an example YouTuber that we should all follow, because he's doing everything right. He's doing everything at his own pace, and it's all working out for him so well. So we just have to know that if we put in the work, it will eventually pay off. He's been doing YouTube for a few months now, I think over a year, and you can just see that the determination definitely paid off. Don't forget to check out the Discord down below. I'm super active on there, and you guys can just get anything answered if you guys are curious about building a PC, games, anything like that. I will talk to you guys all day long. Anyways, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, remember to leave a like and a comment down below. I will catch you guys next time. I'm out. Peace, guys.